Classic Truck Rescue. Normally the trucks are empty when they show up here, but boy, look at that. Got some nice Volkswagens on this one. Don't know where they're going, but I got 2 trucks on their way to England today. And we're gonna help this guy get loaded up. And then I had a couple guys I don't even know pull in my driveway and block it, so the guy couldn't get his big rig in here. Very helpful, not. Anyway, those are some nice looking Volkswagens. And that one's a truck, so it belongs here. That was kind of a truck, it's a van. So we got 2 trucks going to England today. One's a 1941 Chevy, sending those wheels for a panel truck that I sent them before, and a 51 GMC. These are going to one of my really good customers in England. Very nice lady. The 41's going to require a lot of work. They're going to build that into a rescue vehicle or a retrieval vehicle for their business. Kind of hard to find those gold guys nowadays. The 51 GMC is very complete and very solid. It's got some dented up front sheet metal parts, but the good news is it came with replacements. 2 good fenders and a good hood to go with it. Pretty nice old truck. Real solid floors. Nice dash. Missing 1 gauge. I could probably round one of those up for her. And but yeah, it's solid and complete. It's still got 4 of its original GMC hubcaps on it. 5-window cab. That old guy right there, like I said, 1941 Chevy. Getting hard to come by. Anyway, I don't know where my camera girl is right now, and I got to get this tractor moved so this guy can make some progress. I'll be back. Peace out.
Well, it's a nice sunny Saturday here at Classic Truck Rescue, and today Rick's shipping out 2 more trucks going to England.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. I like that one.
So what I was saying, go on back out and I'll help you make sure nobody gets. I can't believe those guys pulled in there. What are you trying to do?
Hey, there's Izzy and Tacos next rig.
Yeah. We can move that big truck in that Camaro.
Look at that little bus truck. That's cool. Well, Rick's busy trying to work out how they're going to get those trucks on that car hauler. We'll just take a look around. Rolling coal. American trucks, we don't discriminate. Ford, GMC. This is my guy, Woody. He's one of my favorite trucks. Look at him. He's a grouchy, crotchety old thing, but I love him. This right over here is Jet. He's my new horse. He's a good boy. My very first horse. I'm almost 50 years old and I just got a horse. He's got so much patience with me. If I was him, I'd be bucking me off right away, but he was pretty good. This is Banana Rammer.
So the shipper today showed up without a winch to pick up 60 and 70-year-old trucks that don't run. But we don't need a winch when we've got Tug's a beast. I love that tractor, man. He has just totally saved my bacon repeatedly. Shove that big old 75-year-old monster up on there. No problem. Anyway, we put the big one on top. Next, we're gonna use tug to get the little one on the bottom, and I'll be back. Anyway, turned out to be a little more effort than I thought it was getting these old boys on here. Not too bad though. This guy's going on next. 1951 GMC 5-window long bed pickup, totally complete. And I put your wheels for your 57 panel truck in here. The hubcaps are in there. They're just on the bottom. Didn't feel like they needed to be advertised on the way. You got two good fenders back here and a hood, nice hood, strapped in, ready to go. And then I put two of your wheels in this yellow truck up here. I'll go ahead and get a shot of those just for the heck of it. So, got two more wheels in here with caps on them. I think you can see the cap. Well, there's the cap on the second one. They're both in there. Tie this hood down. Probably go ahead and spring for a strap too. Strap those doors closed just in case. Anyway, we'll get this other guy on here and they'll be on their way. You have to wonder. Some people might think it's weird, but Jamie and I kind of feel like all these old trucks have personalities. You just have to wonder the stories that they could tell. Especially a truck like that. It's been around for 75 years. And what's kind of cool, if you think about it, is most of these trucks were literally sitting in fields rusting away when I came across them. And now they're, some of them are getting loaded on a boat and going overseas. So he's got 75 years of history here. Probably sat, well, I know he sat for at least like 20 years in a field in the grass before I got him. And now he's going on a boat trip to England and gonna get restored and get used like I used Tinker to go rescue vehicles. And so it's like he's starting a whole nother life at 75. I think that's just cooler than heck. This guy too. Well, I don't know so much of the history on that blue one, but I know they're gonna make him look nice. Heck, he's not bad looking right now. These are all my parts trucks back here, most of them. This one we just went and got, I call it the banana rammer. It's a beast. I might do a little video on getting that one running today. Don't let me shock you. My tow truck, got the engine freed up on it. It's got its original engine in it. Got it freed up where it spins over. I'm gonna get that one running too. Watch. This guy right here I'm hanging on to. 1941 GMC pickup truck. Pretty cool. Tanker truck. Supposed to have a guy coming by today to look at the tank on it. Give me an idea of what's involved with restoring it. Wouldn't that be cool? Have an old Chevron truck running around? Anyway, I'm gonna get my butt back to work. Loading that up. Huh?
Yeah.
Welcome to Old Trucks.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, I'm gonna have you come forward just a little bit more.
Yeah. You might want to have me come forward a little more.
Right there.
Is that where you want it?
Yep. Me.
Well, I'm gonna let you get that secured before I move the tractor. So, Emma, there's your trucks. Both trucks loaded up, headed your way. Good to go. Tug, you get off that trailer. You're not going to England. You're staying right here. I got to get my tractor off of there. They might want that over in England. And I need it. I need my tractor. Who goes there? Smile, you're on camera. I didn't find the Volkswagens.
You didn't find them, they found you?
No, they were on the truck when it came here to get my old trucks.
Oh.
I'm Rick.
David, I live
David.
over by the airport.
How you doing?
You've got a collection of these, but the Volkswagen...
The Volkswagens made you stop?
Well, that style, pickup, whatever you want to call it, I haven't seen that in the longest time.
I haven't either. I remember you used to see them once in a while going up and down the road.
Yeah, when I was a
Yeah.
kid,
Yeah.
there was actually a guy that had one at the top of Milano Hill.
Yeah.
Anyway, but I thought, well, should I get my camera because I was doing some pictures.
Snap away
at the,
before it heads to Japan.
Japan.
Don't start crying. Mine aren't going to Japan. Mine are going to England. Although I have to confess, I did sell
You've been,
one to a guy in Japan.
Last couple of years, kind of collecting on yours.
I've been here for a little over a year, but yeah, I've been collecting them for about 5 years now. I got to quit saying 5 years because I think we're over 6. Yeah, I've got about 6 of them that are on their way, so it's good that these 2 are going. I would be so ticked off if I bought that van. See, now my truck over there, you can see it's got rust. I could have bondoed over that and primered it, but whoever put this van together put a beautiful paint job on it. Put a beautiful paint job on top of that. Look, Bondo over the rust with fresh paint. That's just not right. It's not. I hope the buyer knew about that. They just Bondoed the heck out of the bottom of it. Well, you can't see it in the camera, but I can sure see it. This thing's a mud bucket. Is it a truck? Is it a van? Or is it a sculpture? It's a sculpture. Look at this, right? They just slapped the mud on that puppy. Wow. Oh well. We don't do that at Classic Truck Rescue. We leave them rusty so you can see what you're buying. That's right, you cannot fake that. And I wouldn't. I'll send her some better doors. I like Emma. 13.8. Dale's checking his height. Make sure he doesn't take the top off of that pristine cab right there. We don't care about the Volkswagens. We care about this guy. Right, Emma? I don't know. I'd probably just sand that down and clear coat it. That rod. That rod. Can you see it with a rollback on it? I can. You can't fake that kind of patina. Dale's just going right down the road here to a truck stop. Get him some sleep because he got wore out at the Classic Truck Ranch. He did put in a day's work here, or an afternoon's anyway. Yep. Yep. What'd you forget, Dale? She changed her mind?
I was wondering if I could wash my face off so I got stuff in my eyes.
That's called rust, Dale. Yeah, come on in. Hey, what you looking at? Mind your own damn business. Oh no, I'm talking to one of my trucks. I said, hey, what are you looking at? Mind your own damn business. Hey, you travel safe.
Alrighty.
Get some rest.
Thank you.
Hopefully we'll see you again.
Yep.
That was Dale. Nice guy. Spent about 3 hours out here with me today, loading up those two trucks. Dale, wave bye to the camera. You almost feel like an employee out here, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we spent some time together today loading these trucks up. Tweren't no easy task. Dale's not used to hauling vehicles that don't run. But they sent him out here and we got the job done anyway. What are you looking at? Alright, so this is a truck that I probably shouldn't have bought. It's a mess. Well, here's the deal. I can't come up with any excuse why I have this truck. I have this truck because I saw it in the bushes while I was stripping another truck, and all I saw was this part, and I thought, gee, that's neat, an old Chevron fuel truck. And I actually sent Jamie and my dad Lou out to get it, and they hacked it out of the bushes, and it looks a lot worse than I remember it looking. But it's kind of growing on. We call it the love boat because it's so big and heavy. This thing weighs, well, it doesn't weigh a ton. It weighs a lot more than a ton, but it's just got ugly on top of its ugly. You ever hear the expression, looks like it got hit by an ugly truck? This is the ugly truck. This is what you get hit by when you become ugly. It's uglier than sin. But I like that tank. And I don't know. I'll figure out what to do with it. Alright. I'm done playing. Anyway, these guys are getting ready to roll on out of here with two more of my trucks. Believe it or not, that right there is better than that right there. Because that one right there, you got to grind about 30 pounds of Bondo off of before you can even find out what it's all about. All right, there's an honest truck. That one right there is actually pretty sweet. That one's not going to be a lot of work. Hey, I always feel like somebody's watching me. That damn truck. Yeah, the Love Boat. Pristine. This is goofy looking. 53 Chevy Chevron fuel truck. Best part about it's the tank. I'm sorry, I love you. Quit looking at me like that. Yeah. Like to get a shot of them when they're rolling out. Dale's battery might be dead. It's been sitting here for 3 hours. He got here at 12:30. It's 3:30 now. Anyway, there's 2 more of my boys heading off. 51 GMC 5-window long bed pickup and a 1941 Chevy farm truck. Jamie's not here today because she went to Albany with a trailer to get me a brush hog because I need one. Yeah, that thing's not really designed to be picking up non-runners, but here at the Classic Truck Ranch, we make it happen. Those babies got to go, and they're going. They're on their way to Long Beach, California. From there, they'll get onto a boat, and they're off to England. Nice guy, Jim. Enjoyed hanging out with him this afternoon. There's his girlfriend up there waving bye to us. '51 GMC, 41 Chevy, heading down the road. Boy, that van up there is just a Bondo bucket. I hope they told those people about that. Anyway, boy, I really do get bummed out when they leave. Classic Truck Rescue. Gotta mow my lawn. Hey, I got this old 58 Chevy. Looks like a piece of junk. I call it banana rammer. And I'm gonna see if I can get this thing running. Yeah. But that'll be another video. Yeah. Looks like a piece of junk. But I got big hopes for this guy. Tug, you did good today. You did good. That's your first time on an auto transport, isn't it? This old tractor's been just great. Got a new implement coming for you. I got you a brush hog on the way. You ready to go mow some grass, buddy? All right.